Hey coffee lovers! Welcome back to the channel. Today we're making an amazing iced coconut mocha with shaved chocolate that's creamy, refreshing, and packed with rich chocolate flavor. This tropical-inspired coffee drink combines bold espresso, smooth coconut milk, sweet mocha goodness, and icy perfection in every sip. It's the perfect homemade coffee drink for hot days, relaxing afternoons, or whenever you're craving something cool, chocolatey, and extra delicious. Let's get started together. Ingredients: 1 shot espresso or 1/2 cup strong brewed coffee, 1 cup coconut milk, 2 tablespoons chocolate, syrup 1 tablespoon sugar, or sweetener 1 cup ice cubes, whipped cream, shaved chocolate for topping toasted coconut flakes. Directions: begin by brewing a fresh shot of espresso or making strong coffee. Allow it to cool slightly before preparing the drink. In a large glass, add the chocolate syrup and sugar, then pour in the espresso. Stir until everything is fully combined and smooth. Fill the glass with ice cubes, then slowly pour the coconut milk over the coffee mixture. Stir gently to create a creamy mocha blend with a delicious tropical twist. Top the drink with whipped cream for extra richness. Finish by sprinkling shaved chocolate generously over the whipped cream and add toasted coconut flakes if desired. The shaved chocolate melts slightly into the cold cream, creating an extra decadent finish. Serve immediately with a straw and enjoy this refreshing iced coconut mocha, packed with creamy coconut flavor and rich chocolate goodness. Thank you so much for watching today's iced coconut mocha with shaved chocolate recipe video. I hope you enjoyed making this refreshing cafe-style coffee drink with me. It's creamy, tropical, chocolatey, and perfect for warm afternoons or sweet coffee cravings anytime. If you loved this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more delicious coffee creations and homemade cafe drink ideas. I'll see you next time for another tasty coffee adventure. Free ebook, Starbucks Liquors, Coffee the Adult Alcohol, worth $5.99. The description, https://tinural.com, 3 Coffee Lover.